How to log into Snapchat without email. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to log into your Snapchat without using your email, you can try these options if you know your username or phone number. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your device. Open the login portal where you need to simply enter your username or email or phone number and password, and then tap on login to log into your specific account. But in the case if you have forgotten your email address that is associated with your account, you can go ahead and type in your username instead of your email address or your phone number by tapping on use phone number instead, and then enter your phone number to log into your account. Now in the next field, you need to go ahead, enter your password, and then log into your account. But if you have enabled two-factor authentication, Snapchat will send a verification code to your phone. You need to enter that code and then you'll be logged into your account. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or your password or anything like that, you can go ahead and tap on forgot your password option. Then it will give you two options to verify it with phone or email. To verify and reset with your phone or email, choose one of these options that you want and then enter your phone number to find your username. If you can't access your email or phone, your only choice is to get help from Snapchat support. So go ahead, open any web browser on your device, then you go to snapchat.com. You can go to their help and support page, and from there, go ahead and open your Snapchat support page or form. And from here, you can go ahead and enter your name, your email address, and all of your other information. Describe your issue or any problem with the Snapchat logging in. Then after, complete the form with as much information as possible, and Snapchat will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours or 2 to 3 business days and will help you solve the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.